Hello everyone out there, Mike here from Diesel Smart. I'm here to show you today the exhaust manifold for the Toyota Hilux that Torquemaster has manufactured and designed. First of all, I'm going to show you the factory exhaust manifold and some of the points about it. You can see here cylinder, this is cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, cylinder number 3, cylinder number 4. Now as cylinder number 1 comes past cylinder number 2 and also past cylinder number 3 to go out the collector where the turbo is bolted onto, it is contaminating the cylinder number 2 and cylinder number 3 on the decompression stroke. So in other words, when the piston is on its downward stroke after it is fired, the exhaust valve is momentarily still open. Now if you're running 15 psi of boost pressure, and then you're going to have approximately the same amount of pressure in the exhaust manifold. So you've got 15 psi of boost pressure trying to push back into these cylinders before the valves are shut, including cylinder number 1. Alright, so this is just a very basic designed exhaust manifold, not with performance in mind. It's been built and designed and manufactured this way to be made in mass volume. Definitely not performance related. Now if you look with Torquemaster's new stainless steel steam pipe exhaust manifold, you can see straight away the quality of the unit is awesome. It's very heavy because it's actually made out of stainless steel steam pipe, so very thick wall. And the reason they do this is to stop it from warping or cracking. Now you can see here the difference between the standard manifold and the Torquemaster manifold is noticeable straight away, and that is each cylinder has its own direct route to the collector. So cylinder number 1 is going directly to the collector, it's not going past cylinder number 2 anymore. Cylinder number 2 is going directly to the collector, it's not going past cylinder number 3 anymore. Cylinder number 3 and cylinder number 4 have their own route directly to the collector. And you can see inside here, it's a beautifully made collector. If we can get the light right. So straight away, the performance benefits of this manifold compared to the factory manifold is very noticeable after it's been fitted. It also, one of the things that we noticed when driving the vehicle is that it also gave you a lot better acceleration. In other words, it revved a lot freer. It also at idle had a lot less diesel rattle, so it idles quieter, the motor. And that's because you're not getting contamination going into these other cylinders here. Also, when you've got contamination going back into your cylinder, it also drops the octane rating of the cylinder and the fuel. It also makes the oil get dark and dirty much quicker as well. So the benefits of it, of the performance manifold, there is quite a few different benefits. Not just in the look of it, obviously it looks very nice and very pretty, obviously, but the intention of this manifold is to increase the longevity of the engine, in other words, cleaner oil, smoother running, quieter, better acceleration, and overall better performance.